Look at the arc of a thrown ball, the curve of a suspension bridge, or the shape of a satellite dish. That graceful curve is a parabola, and it's not random. It follows a precise mathematical code called a quadratic function. The code is written as y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Each part tells a story. The a term is the simplest clue. If a is positive, the parabola is a happy face, opening up to a minimum point. If a is negative, it's a sad face, peaking at a maximum. The c term is just as direct. It tells you exactly where the curve crosses the vertical y-axis. But the real detective work begins when we ask, where does the curve hit the ground? These are the roots. Before you even try to solve for them, a powerful secret number called the discriminant gives you a spoiler. By calculating b squared minus 4ac, you know the answer. If the result is positive, the curve hits the x-axis twice. If it's 0, it touches just once. And if it's negative, it floats above or below the axis, never making contact. Every parabola has one supreme point of interest, its turning point or vertex. This is the absolute peak of the arc or the bottom of the valley. To find it, we use an elegant algebraic tool called completing the square. It transforms the equation into a new format that puts the vertex's coordinates on display. And if you ever get stuck, there's the quadratic formula, the universal key that solves any quadratic equation. It's the bridge between a string of symbols and the predictable curved universe all around us.